By the end of today. Right, this is our Caulk, twice as thick as the local competitor. It's structured so you've got a nice rough side on one to agitate the debris on your hands, and a really absorbent 45 GSM thick cloth to absorb what we're taking off our hands. And because it's thick, it holds more of the natural occurring solvents and soaps, so it's more productive when I get it to work. I'm just going to agitate it with the blue side down. Just break up that silicone. Breaking up the gloss plate. And now the naturally occurring solvents and chemicals and soaps are dissolving what's left. Now what we've also added is a bit of lanolin, so I get a nice soft hand. So when I go home to wifey tonight, she goes, "Ooh, David, aren't your hands really soft?"
Did you say David?
Old chap. Well, they're not for you then. They're not for you, I'm afraid. Well, they're not for your husband, you can have them. There we are, clean as a whistle. Half the price of our local competitor, and because it's so thick, it keeps on working. So I've absorbed all of that, and I can keep on wiping, absorbing, cleaning. It's not transferring all that paint and grease onto my tile. It just keeps on working.